Now, once you have done that, it becomes really easy for you to scrap all this information from this page. We have different listing here, right? This was our first listing. This is the second listing on this page. This is the third listing. And like this, we have your 20 search listing on page 1. So here, what you need to do is, instead of find, we will just use find all. So let's see how we're going to do that. For example, let's say we want to find the owner information of all the 20 listings. So here I will give, I'll just copy it. I'll just go down here. And we'll paste this, and we need to remove dot text from here because now we are going to use your find all. So find underscore all. So soup dot find all will give you all those span tags where the attribute is class seller type. So here we are making the use of this analogy that all this information like 2 BHK here from this listing, 2 BHK from this listing is going to be present in the same tag with the same attributes. Okay, so let's see if we run this what we are going to get. So here if you see we are getting all those span tags and we are getting this information about the owner, right? Owner, and this is a list, and if you count this there are 20 such tags. So 1, 2, 3, this is your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and you have till 20, right? So now what we are going to do is we don't want this span class seller type, right? What we can do, we can store this. Let's say here we give owner, so OWN equals to soup dot find all and all that. So here we have stored that in OWN. So here I will write for O in OWN, right? So we are iterating over them one by one. Now here I will write print O dot text. And now if you see that, you'll get this information about the owner. But we don't want to print it. We want to store this in a list. So what I will do is here, I'll just write, I'll create an empty list named as owner equals to an empty list. Okay. And here we'll just write, remove this line, and we will write owner dot append. And here we want to append O dot text. That's it. Now let's print our owner. So we will have a list of all this. Let's print our owner and let's run it. So we have got this into a list now, right? Similarly, we are going to do the same thing for all the tags. For all these tags, and you will get the information about owner, the price, the area, and all that. Okay. So here we have done it for owner. You can do it for all other tags. Let's do it one by one. So here, now for the number of BHK. So I will again just copy it. I will go down, and here again I'll paste this. So let's paste it over here. And again we need to remove this dot span dot text because we are not going to use find. We're going to use find all, and it gives us a list, right? So let's remove this dot span dot text. So this is your number of BHK. So let's give a name. Let's say BH equals to soup dot find all. Now again what we need to do is I will create an empty list BHK. I'll give it as number of BHK. Let's say number of BHK equals to empty list, right? Then here for B in BH, right? For B in our BH, we will write our number of BHK dot append number of BHK dot append, and here we will give the B dot span dot text, right? And now let's print it. So here we will just print it. So we will give our no underscore BHK, that is number of BHK. So add this O over here and run this. So we have got this. number of PHK. We have 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4. Okay. Next, you can do the same thing for all other tags as well. For example, this locality, this is the area, right? Locality. So I will just copy it. I will just go down, and here I will just write, paste it, and let's store this in our, this is our area. So we will just write locality. So loc equals to, we'll get a list, right? We need to remove this dot text, and we need to add find all over here. So find underscore all, right? And now we'll create an empty list name as locality equals to empty list. And now again we will write for L in loc, for L in loc, locality dot append, locality dot append, and here we will give this your L dot text. That's it. Let's print our locality now. So this is our locality, and let's run it. So we have got this locality of all those 20 listings, right? We have Patti, we have Miapur, Kukatpalli, Mirpet, and all that, right? So similarly, you need to do it for other as well. For example, we have done for area. Now let's do it for this price, right? So price of the apartment. So let's copy it. Let's go down here, and again we will give, let's say, price PRC equals to, this is a, let's paste it. Let's remove the dot text. We are just doing a copy paste, and we are writing for loop. We are iterating over all this list element. So find all, and again we will create an empty list here, price equals to an empty list, and we will write a for loop. So for P in PRC, and here we will append that. So your price dot append, and here we want to append this your P dot text. That's it. Let's again print this PRC. So our PRC, let's run it. Not PRC, sorry. We should print here price. So price, and let's run it. Okay. So we have got this 31.05 lakh, 47.3 lakh, 85 lakh, and 1.25 crores, and all that, right? Similarly, we are going to do the same thing for your this area. What is the area of that apartment? So here let's just copy it again, Control A, Control C. Let's go down over here, and here again we are going to paste it. Let's paste it over here, remove the text, and here we will just write find all, and this is the area of the apartment, right? So let's store this in some, give some variable here. Let's say I give AR for area equals to, and here I create a area in square foot. So area SQFT, let's say, equals to empty list, and here we will write for A in AR, and here again we are going to write area square foot underscore SQFT dot append, and here we will give A dot text. Let's print our area square foot. Let's copy it, and let's just paste it over here. Let's just paste it over here, and here we have area square foot. Let's run it. Okay, so we have got 1150,990,1214. So this is the area in square foot of that particular apartment. Okay, so we have done it for your area. Now we are left with your under construction, that is construction status. So you try to do this, you try to do it on your own. If you're not able to do it, we'll see that.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as CodeGnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.